मैम मैं आपको टच नहीं करूंगा, मैम डोंट वरी. द मोमेंट ही सेज मैं आपको टच नहीं करूंगा, यू आर कन्विंस्ड वो आपको टच करेगा. द मोमेंट ही सेज क्यों मैम मैं आपके पास क्यों नहीं आ सकता, हम लोग और कोई रिश्ता नहीं हो सकता क्या हमारे बीच में, you immediately feel like, oh my god, this man is going to do something to this woman.
India looks at Jab We Met as a great film that people run away and fall in love and discover each other. And actually, Sandeep or Pinky are not going to do any of that. So I just like that Divakar Banerjee and Varun Grover could have said any film, but they kind of chose that one film that sort of fantasizes two people meeting without knowing each other and falling in love. Whereas here, two people coming into a circumstance and life hitting them. It was rather interesting to choose that film. Our chemistry off screen is always going to be there because we've been through hell and back. And perhaps not twice over in a good way. Where I think we should go to hell and back more often. We deliver good work together.
Yeah. But our chemistry is beyond just romantic. And it's not just that the audience wants us, to end up together, to get married in a beautiful love story, because that is what usually a Bollywood pairing is known for. Ke inki jodi hai. For us, it's so much more layered.
Ishaq Zadeh truly prepared us to maybe come into our own. This 9-year journey, Parineeti, slightly longer than mine. She had DTs, was Ricky Bell before. I think just the fact that we did Ishaq Zadeh together, we hit upon a chord where there is mutual trust to be able to show distrust.
So today we have the team of Sandeep or Pinky Farara film that you have massively loved joining me for a conversation, and I had shared a question sticker on my Instagram and I asked fans to send in their questions. So there are a few. Everybody is
actually... You get one with Parineeti, one with me, one with Divakar sir. Your time starts now.
Fine. There are a few where you three have to answer because they've only praised all of you. So I'll start with Parineeti.
Then we will all answer.
Yeah, I'll start with Parineeti. Shivain_Jain has asked, Parineeti, how did you approach the bank scene? It was fantastic.
Oh. I blindly followed what Divakar sir told me.
And Sukant, he helped.
I was just going to say, bigger than Divakar sir was my co-star, Sukant. I think he was a masterpiece of casting because the baby innocent look that he has is exactly what happens in our country. Looks don't matter, don't judge by a book by its cover, etc, etc, etc. The man looks so innocent, so baby, like you almost want to protect him in the film. So I start the scene by being very nice to him, saying, so sorry, मैं आपका time waste कर रही हूँ, but I'll be out of here in a jiffy. Because that's what we do, even as women, we trust everybody and we tell everybody that you're a good person, I'm going to help you. And he turns out to be a rapist. So it's such a brilliantly creepy, hauntingly goosebumpy scene. And the dialogues. I have to say something about the dialogues very quickly in this scene, that they are so creepy and so helpful that we just had to execute the scene. Things like, मैम मैं आपको टच नहीं करूंगा, मैम डोंट वरी. द मोमेंट ही सेज मैं आपको टच नहीं करूंगा, यू आर कन्विंस्ड वो आपको टच करेगा. द मोमेंट ही सेज क्यों मैम मैं आपके पास क्यों नहीं आ सकता, हम लोग और कोई रिश्ता नहीं हो सकता क्या हमारे बीच में, you immediately feel like, oh my god, this man is going to do something to this woman. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
Just quietly says, मैम वो मैनेजर का रूम तो अंदर से लॉक्ड होता है ना, सिक्योरिटी होती है ना मैम. The sweeter he is, the more scared you get. So it was just, I can't take any credit. It was Divakar sir and my co-star. And
no, what do you mean you can't take any credit? That shot. So I'll tell you where you should get credit. That shot where that close-up happens, when she lifts her attire. We of course we were sort of not showing her body. We were showing her face. You should go back and see that scene again. उसमें मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा था, वो परिणीति did herself. That's वो. You should see that back in and close up.
Where the submission and the decision of saying कि I can't get out of this. At what point?
Yes.
That acceptance of Sandeep, where she has to accept that she is a woman stuck in a situation, not a person.
And the expression she has after she pulls her garments down, when she looks back at the bank manager.
Yeah. There's another genius beat in the scene. Sorry, I'm only extending your answer, but then you can go to the next question. There's a genius beat of writing which kind of sums up perception in India is the bank manager says, "Ma'am, jab bhi main dekhe." That is actually the go-to quintessential on the run boy meet. It is the absolute paradox of Sandeep and Biggie Farrar. If you look at it, India looks at Jab Bhi Met as a great film when people run away and fall in love and discover each other. And actually, Sandeep or Pinky are not going to do any of that. So I just like that Dibakar Banerjee and Varun Grover could have said any film, but they kind of chose that one film that sort of fantasizes two people meeting without knowing each other and falling in love. Whereas here, two people coming into a circumstance and life hitting them. It was rather interesting to choose that film.
जब मैंने वो सीन देखा था फिल्मी मतलब भावना के साथ, both of us looked at each other and said, this is magic. That exact expression that he's talking about, honestly. Okay, Sneha Tilekar has asked to Pari and Arjun, ask Arjun and Pari, how do they make sure that manage such great chemistry like Fireworks, love the film as they did 3 films together? Matlab, basically, how do you manage such great chemistry because you've done 3 films together and they love the film? Sneha Tilekar का भी यही है, शिवानी _SR का भी same question, तो मैं दोनों का नाम ले लूंगा.
I think collaboration. I think two people who are very sure that they can be honest with each other. I think the fact that we as two people have no pretense with each other because we started from a place, Nayan, where most people. So let's say Ishak Zadeh prepared us for Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. I think Namaste England was a far more simpler outing in terms of us having to go through the rigmarole of making a film. It was far more simplistic, and that was the charm when we did it then. But Ishak Zadeh truly prepared us to maybe come into our own. This 9-year journey, Parineeti, slightly longer than mine. She had DDs, was Ricky Bell before. I think just the fact that we did Ishak Zadeh together, we hit upon a chord where there is mutual trust to be able to show distrust. It's quite a dichotomy that we actually are that close and we understand each other to be able to, and we actually are fond of each other and respect each other, regard each other to that extent that we can show absolutely the opposite emotion without feeling bothered for even a second what the other person is thinking. So when I'm doing a scene with Parineeti, I don't really care what Parineeti is thinking because I know that she and me are in the same place in the scene. So I'm not trying to. Sometimes actors tend to first perform to get respect and admiration from a set, and we get caught up in that process. Ki, if one take me okay kar diya. With us, we get very collaborative, like two kids who are trying to bicker and have fun with the scene. And there is respect, and then there's a director. Eventually, our chemistry off screen is always going to be there because we've been through hell and back. And perhaps not twice over in a good way. Where I think we should go to hell and back more often. We deliver good work together. But I'm more fearless with Parineeti because I know if I fall, she'll pick me up, and I think it's vice versa.
Absolutely the same. Yeah. I think Arjun and I are blessed with something that not many actor pairs are blessed with, which is that our chemistry is beyond just romantic. And it's not just that the audience wants us, to end up together, to get married in a beautiful love story, because that is what usually a Bollywood pairing is known for. Ke inki jodi hai. For us, it's so much more layered, and we are like, I think we are very lucky that both of us have that naturally. The respect and the trust factor that he's talking about is so important because it gives us that freedom in a scene, in a film, to be able to do things to each other without worrying about the politics of making sure that, Arjun is comfortable or Pari is comfortable. It doesn't matter. If I have to slap him in a scene, I slap him. If I have to grab him in a scene, I grab him. You know what I'm saying? There's that abandon and that freeness कि मेरे को sorry नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, like I think since day one she knows what irritates me about her. I know what irritates. So we know our strengths and weaknesses. मुझे पता है वो सवाल पूछ के दिमाग खराब करेगी. बिल्कुल तेरी तरह नहीं. वो सवाल इतने पूछे कि मैं उससे भी बोलता हूँ कम सवाल पूछ, spontaneously किया कर काम, तेरा कुछ अच्छा निकल के आता है. This is my impulse as an observer of us since Ishak Zadeh. So we know each other's strengths and weaknesses, and I think we work well as a unit. On a set, no director will ever look at us as two separate entities.
Yeah.
There is no reason. I don't think Dibakar would disagree with this. Is that you can hold us both accountable for a scene and take us together on a scene.
Yeah.
It is not कि ये Parineeti इसमें ये कर रही है तो अर्जुन के भी अलग से समझा. We both complement each other. So like the scene where she's talking to uncle in the दूध का तवेला.
Oh yeah.
I think you can see the respect and camaraderie of two actors and the director knowing that there is nobody trying to outshine each other. You know, there is a Pinky standing in the background and allowing Sandeep to go through her catharsis while being there कि कुछ होगा ना मैं हूँ इधर.
And the same thing happens when Pinky is getting ready and Sandeep is just sitting at the back waiting for him to get ready. For सब कुछ ready होके end में उसको एक बार देखता है and I'm like, हाँ, good. It's a very strong friendship and relationship, which also in real life we have. You know, there's a very like just with looks, what do I do? Okay, do this. You know, there's a very like unspoken.
हमें पता है डायरेक्टर कब one more मांगने वाला है, कब नहीं मांगने वाला है, हमको पता लग जाता है basically.
Finally, last question Pratikha has asked. She has written that Anushka Sharma did something unthinkable when she chose NH10. Parineeti has done something unthinkable with TGOT, which is the girl on the train, and Sandeep. Apparently, you've said somewhere that Anushka is your girl crush. So what do you have to say about this? Like the whole...
Me or Arjun? Me, na?
You.
मेरी अभी मैं क्या बोलूं, तू ही तारीफ करते हैं अनुष्का की.
I've always said this, that she's my girl crush. I mean, I just I consider myself to be effortless in my personal life, and I find that to be a big relatability factor with her. I think she's very effortless in her life, and you know, keeps it low drama and just keeps it chill. And I also, you know, like to keep it like that, or if I'm lacking, then I aspire to be that. So that relatability factor makes me have a girl crush on her, but it's not like romantic, guys. Like,
of course. Thank you. It was lovely chatting with you, and all the best. I will again watch this movie just for this conversation again, because it's a fantastic.
Thank you so much.
And you can send me money later for these 3 questions that I made you do. See.